Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix YouTube TV spinning circle Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. First way, open settings. Network status. Check network status. If there are problems, click disconnect. Network settings. Select your network. Connect again. Or open YouTube TV, settings, reset app. If it doesn't work, open apps, settings, select YouTube TV, reinstall, or delete app and install again. That's it. Now you know how to fix YouTube TV spinning circle Samsung Smart TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.